Let's go.
All right, here we go. Here's military power. Here comes max AB.
Oh, man, you feel that.
Yep, there's 50 knots.
Here we go.
There's 100.
Here we go.
120.
Here, Romeo, I don't see them rolling.
There's 140.
060, okay.
All right, we are airborne. There's 200. 250. All right, there's 300. And Sam, you ready for it?
Let's go.
All right, here we go. Ready, hit it. Nice job.
Oh, my God. Wow.
Yeah, pretty awesome, huh?
Wow. Oh, my God.
With you, passing 5,500 for 6,500.
Dude. That was crazy.
All right, ready for 4 Gs to the left?
Let's do it.
All right, here we go. Ready, hit it. Take that breath. Squeeze those legs. All right, there's 4 Gs. Hold that breath a little bit longer. There you go. That's a better cadence. All right, now release the breath. Just squeeze your legs for me. Just squeeze those legs. You can feel we can do 4 Gs by just squeezing our legs. All right, we're rolling out of the 4 Gs. Oh. Nice. How'd you feel on that?
Yeah, I mean, you definitely feel it more and more.
Yeah. So, 4 Gs. There you can see, hey, we can do work that one with just our legs. We're going to work a little bit harder. Or we can use a little bit of breath to kind of help hold a little bit of that blood. All right, 6 Gs to the right. Sam, you ready for it?
Let's go.
Here we go. Ready, hit it. Coming to the right. There it is. Exchange that breath. Nice. All right, rolling out. Nice job.
Wow.
Yeah.
How are you just talking to me through that?
Well, we've done it once or twice. Cool. So we'll kind of slow down now. This next maneuver is going to keep us at less than 2 Gs.
Okay.
So up we go. I'll start that pull on the G.
2,000. I have a heavy KC-135 south of you.
And then as we get to about 22 degrees nose high, you can give it okay. And we'll start that turn. Nice, easy, and just imagine there's 3 to 5 people flying formation on of us.
Wow.
As we're doing this. They're coming back out. It's nice, easy. No, nothing too crazy. So, ready, hit it. Here we go. Just squeeze those legs, just a hair. There's 4 Gs.
Direct downtown.
We're going to squeeze those 4 Gs until we hit about 7 alpha. There's 7 degrees AOA. You'll feel the Gs will ease off a little bit. If you look out there, you can pick up our smoke trail.
Oh, wow.
Cool. As we kind of come down the backside, you actually see our shadow, too. Pretty nuts. And squeeze those legs just a hair as we get about a 3.5 G recovery on the backside. Nice job. Here we go. Ready, hit it. Rolling. Start that pull. Then you recapture from there. All right, so we're right at 5 Gs. That breathing feels pretty good. Good rate on the breathing.
Maintain 2005.
Nice job. We're almost through it.
Like one for red approach.
Here it is. We'll pull about 30 past. We'll give ourselves a little turbo nose low on the backside.
Helicopter altitude case 1,100 just passing by the marker.
Whoa. So there it is with the turbo nose low exit. So nice job.
Happy 66 heavy. Tower 128.25.
Oh, yeah.
That's a worker, isn't it?
Yeah, give me a second. Woo.
Yeah. We'll kick the smoke on. On 0.9. We'll get clear just of these clouds. 0.92. Alright. Sam, you ready for it?
Let's go.
Alright, here we go. Ready, hit it. Squeeze those legs. Pure vertical. Here comes the rolls. Hey, Sam, how you doing?
Good.
Back with me?
I am.
All right. You feeling better?
Yeah, I think I'm okay right now.
All right, cool. All right, there we are. 400 knots. Pumps are on. You ready for it?
Let's go.
Here we go, Sam. So pulling up. We'll roll over. Upside down. Here comes a little uncomfortable push.
Whoa.
Yeah. Now look around. Kind of look to the left and right. Imagine trying to fly formation like this. Upside down. So not the most comfortable. There's negative 1.1. No, but we're truly just hanging out. Not a whole lot that we can do. There's 15 seconds. Not the world's most comfortable thing to do, huh?
No. Oh, give me a second. Oh.
Yeah. Ready, hit it. Going right. There's a pull. There's 5. Keep working it. Keep working. We're almost done. There's 3.5. All right, we're rolling now. G's coming off. Nice work. Back on solid earth, huh?
Absolutely wild.
That was absolutely insane.